English with Tom. So today, as a special Christmas lesson, I thought we'd look at a very famous Christmas song and how we can use connected speech. So linking, weak forms, intrusion, elision, stress, and assimilation. So first, let's listen to the Christmas song, We Wish You a Merry Christmas. If you know it, great. If you don't know it, try to write down as many of the words as you can, okay? You can use this to help you. So let's listen and write down the lyrics, write down the words. Are you ready? Let's go.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Okay, nice. So we wish you a Merry Christmas. Okay, if you didn't catch all the words, go back, listen again. If not, here they are. Okay, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. All right. By the way, tidings means good news. So good tidings is good news. Remember, Christmas is related to religion, and so good news about Jesus being born. That is the meaning of Christmas, right? So let's have a look. How can we use connected speech in this song? Okay, so just go back again, have a listen, and think which words are connected by linking, intrusion, things like that. Let's listen to the song one more time.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Okay, very good, very good. All right, so let's start looking at the connected words. So linking, remember consonants are linked to vowels. So, and also sh and s can be linked to the y. So wish, you, sh, you, wish you. We wish you. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you. Repeat after me. Wish you. Wish you. Wish and you is linked, connected. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Okay, then we have the intrusion. So remember the w sound intrudes between oo and a, or oo and the schwa. So you a, or you 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 you. We wish you we wish you We wish you a Merry Christmas. Okay. Then we have elision. So that's when some sounds are taken out. Often the sound is taken out when it's in the middle of other consonants. So we don't say Christmas, Christmas. There's no T. Christmas, Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Okay, Christmas. Let's try. Repeat after me. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. Okay, so this is also linking and the d sound is a consonant. A is a vowel. So and a, and a, and a, and a, and a Happy New Year, and a Happy New Year. Also, the d can be taken out. So it could be and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay. Let's put those together. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Or, and a Happy New Year. Your try. Okay. Another case here of the d sound being taken away. So good tidings, good tidings. Often when d and t are together, the d is taken out. Good tidings, good tidings, good tidings, good tidings we bring. Good tidings we bring. Not good tidings. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. Okay, we have intrusion again. So again, the w sound intrudes between oo and a or you and you and you and good tidings we bring to you and your king. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. Okay. And then we have here assimilation. So the d and the y. So and y your. So d y d j. So the d j becomes a j sound. Good tidings we bring to you and you and your king. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. You and your king. We're going to have a video all about assimilation soon, but this is just a little preview. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. Repeat after me. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. Okay. And the last part for this lesson, this song, is stress. Stress also is a key part of connected speech. So repeat after me. I've underlined the stressed words. It's sometimes good to keep a rhythm. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, all together. We have the connected speech and the stress, everything. Okay, let's listen to, my singing is terrible. So let's listen to the music, follow along, sing along.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Okay, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, yeah, actually, very good. Okay, pause the video or go back, listen again if you like. That's it. So thank you so much. We have lots of new subscribers, lots of people watching this year. So thank you very much. And great. Let's hopefully make more videos in the next year. I hope you have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year. And yeah, see you soon. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.